fucking month.
No, this is the first 2 times I've ever done it.
Twice. This is twice in a week.
Yeah, I know, this is the first 2 times.
The last time you did it was like 3 weeks ago, though.
Oh, is it?
No,
yeah, it wasn't.
I don't think it was that long.
Yeah, it was a little while ago. It was a little while ago.
Yeah, it may have been more than a week. It probably was more than a week, actually. Still, I've never lost a ship doing this. Tony has lost tons. Who is that jumping through? See, I'm just worried that it's going to be like some raven.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Oh, my ding-ding-dong.
This is everybody, you guys should see this. I got 2 frigates running at me, bumping me, taking turns hitting me.
Yeah, in a minute it'll be 3.
Oh
but I'll actually have a micro warp drive.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
System
This is
is
terrible. Please tell me they cannot hear
so
the recording of the You don't have the mic turned on, do you? Rolania, there won't be any sound, will there?
There needs to be sound.
Oh, fuck. What you are seeing is absolutely planned. And there's no way
jackass.
An accident.
Whenever
We're simply
completely an
doing
accident.
CCP a favor by testing out their gate guns and the Amara Navy surveillance general.
He is just trying to cover his rear for the CEO of the corporation not to find out.
Hey. No. This is a plan. Unfortunately, this is a half-baked plan by a moron.
Log note 0539. The Amara surveillance team seems to be working very well. They have slowed me down to 1.5 meters a second. But,
3 in a second, or did someone else just get there?
Log 0540. I have now moved 120 meters since the last time I talked. No, you're bumping me the wrong way. No, you've got to be coming from straight atop.
No, that's that fucking executioner's trying to bump you away from the gate. He's not one of us.
No, he missed. Fuck. Oh, I gotta tell him to get his trajectory straight.
I think I'm gonna have to come back there and help my mass with you.
Keep going to him, alright? They'll get me. I don't need
afraid to know.
4 of them, alright? 3 of them is already tough to take, okay? I've only got so many orifices.
3 frigates and a freighter.
Log 0541. I've given up hope. I will die a slow, meaningless death out here. From starvation.
I'm here to save you, Henry, but I'm in the wrong system. Where the heck are
you?
you?
Livestock. They've given me frozen plant seeds, but not even enriched uranium to heat it with.
Fucking hell.
Anytime now, guys. Come on.
That cyclone guy is trying to bump you away from the gate if you aren't paying attention.
No, he's trying to get me towards it.
No, he's not. He's coming from the fucking wrong direction. He's flying from the other side of the gate at you. He's trying to bump you away from it. It's bullshit he's trying to help you get to the gate.
No, he is. See, he's moving sides.
I really doubt that.
I'm maintaining an average of 5.4 meters a second. Log 0542. I have now moved another half a kilometer.
They need a remote speed booster.
Except you know the problem.
Except you know the problem is paying for me to do this, you know. I mean, this would be the kind of testing I wouldn't want to do, you know, unless they were paying me the good isk that they really are.
What are you guys doing?
You don't want to know.
I'm officially testing for CCP.
But they don't know it.
But they do know it. They're paying me handsomely. Lots of money.
After the YouTube video goes online.
After the YouTube video goes online, I will never log back onto Eve.
Where are you guys?
Dude, no, alright, clear chat. Nobody tell Sam, because he will never let this down.
Precisely.
Shut up. Anybody tell Sam anything about this? Alright, that's it. Rico's and Dana and Rolania. You three are on my blacklist now.
Wasn't I already on your blacklist?
You are double blacklisted now, alright? Nobody who has been on the blacklist has ever survived.
Because no one's ever been on the blacklist.
Woo! Yeah! Victory! Oh, that's funny.
Oh, you got through. Good luck, man.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
I was gonna come laugh at you.
On behalf of CCP, you know, I want to thank everybody for helping participate in this CCP sanctioned demonstration and test.
That, of course, CCP has no clue about.
CCP does. They paid me handsomely. How could they have?
I need to see the log.
The bounty you got off of a frigate does not count as payment.
They put that figure right there.
I turned it down.